Doesn't like the 60s. All right, thank you, Craig. Well, boosting New York's booze business. The state's alcoholic beverage industry was on display hours ago in Albany today. Governor Cuomo holding that summit for brewers, wineries, farmers, and spirit producers as he's trying to give them more support. And our Jennifer Mullen tells us why.
Local breweries, farmers, orchard growers, distillers, they all packed inside a room inside the Egg right here at the Empire Plaza, waiting to hear what's next for their businesses.
A lot of your business is about promotion. And I think many of the other states historically have done a better job promoting the industry than New York has.
But New York has come far in the last couple of years, and it's now home to more than 600 beer, wine, spirit, and cider establishments. The Albany Distilling Company is an example of one going on its third year in business.
Our third year going now, and things are going great. And we're looking at a larger facility, bigger equipment. We're growing, which is good for the first couple of years there.
John Curtin and Matt Jager add to the overall producers list, which the governor's office says accounts for $27 billion in annual total economic impact in the state. The producers also support tens of thousands of jobs, which what the governor says is the most important task at hand.
It's all about creating jobs. It's all about stimulating the economy. That's goal one for any government, certainly for this government.
The summit this year is also focusing on expanding on last year's efforts and complementing the requests that were fulfilled in a year's time. For the distilling company last year, it was eliminating some of the labeling expenses.
I have about 8 labels right now, and I have to pay $250 per label annually. And they're getting rid of that, so that's, I mean, $1,500 is for a small business, it's a decent amount of our annual income that we don't have to worry about anymore, which is great.
There are a few items on their wish list this year, one of them being additional economic development funds for craft distillers, particularly additional Taste New York marketing funds, and it would be used for events like the Manhattan Cocktail Classic, something they successfully attended last year. Another result from last year's summit, Nine Pin Cidery.
They are historic. This is the first farm cidery license in New York State, and I think that
located right here in the heart of the Capital Region. In Albany, Jennifer Mullen, CBS 6 News.